Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Day in My Life Journal. Today you are gonna see my necklace collection which I got from Meesho. So these are all the necklace collections which I got from Meesho. So let's see one by one. So first is this white color necklace. It's a white beaded necklace, which is not a necklace, it's a choker. So we can wear it like this. And it has precious stones, gemstones stones. It has a pair of earrings which is also stuck with gemstones. It has blue, green, pink, light blue, then beige, maroon, yellow. So it has most of the colors. Go like this. The prices will be given at the top. So next is a peacock earring along with necklace. That is also a choker pattern. See this wonderful peacock with these colorful stones. These stones are stuck here. Orange, fuchsia, light blue and royal blue, and the beads are also of matching colors: orange, fuchsia, light blue and dark blue. It's a choker pattern. It will be like this. Has a pair of earrings, which is also a peacock. So these are lovely collection. Then comes a bridal collection, which is stuck with kemp stones and crystals. So it has peacock in the middle of the dollar. These are all crystals. So it will be like this. Be beautiful. This can be worn with any silk sarees or ethnic wears that matches this color or complements this color. And it has a pair of earrings with gemstones stuck in it along with crystals dangling here. Really beautiful. It has these flower engravings here. Really beautiful. It looks like an antique piece, antique necklace set. Then comes beautiful Mona Lisa stone necklace. This is also a choker pattern. These are Mona Lisa stones and beads stuck here. So lovely collection. Really like this. You can wear it for lehengas and saris, Georgette saris. These are stones, colorful stones, yellow, blue, red, pink, green, lavender and fuchsia stones, along with these beads, Mona Lisa beads. So it has a pair of earrings. Which is also lovely. We like this. And it also has mangtika. Semi-bridal collection. Then comes my recent purchase from Meesho. This is also a multicolor stone choker. Can be worn like this. It will be beautiful. It also has so many colors in it. This can be worn for western wears or even for ethnic wears. And it has 2 earrings. It also has mangtika, small mangtika with pink and green stone, and in the earring it is red and blue stone. And in the necklace it has so many colors like lavender, violet, pink, green, dark green, red, yellow, maroon, blue, and so on. So it's a lovely piece. I just love it. And last but not least, this is also my favorite one and my recent purchase. This is a Mona Lisa stone choker. You would have seen in my previous video, I was wearing this necklace. So this is Mona Lisa stones with oxidized dual tone color necklace. It has a pair of earrings. Be lovely. Like this. So it's a beautiful collection. I love it. So that's it, friends, for today's video. So hope you all have liked my necklace collection as I do. So if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel Day in My Life Jana and share it with your friends and family. I will meet you guys in another video like this, and until then, it's bye from Lydia. Bye. Color. These are golden color buttons kept here.